What can cause a Canon printer to print blank pages even when ink is not empty?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to delve into a common issue that you might encounter with your Canon printer. It's printing blank pages even though the ink is not empty. We will discuss some potential causes and, more importantly, how to resolve this issue.
Is the ink cartridge installed correctly?
The first thing we need to look at is the installation of the ink cartridge. If the cartridge is not properly installed, your printer may not be able to access the ink even if the cartridge is full. So, double-check that the cartridges are correctly installed. Refer to your printer's manual for the exact procedure for your specific model.
Is the nozzle clogged?
The next thing to consider is the printer's nozzle. Over time, the nozzle may become clogged with dried ink or dust, which can prevent the printer from printing. Run a nozzle check and, if necessary, a nozzle cleaning process. These options are usually accessible through your printer's settings or software on your computer.
Are the cartridge heads clean?
Another reason could be that the cartridge heads are dirty. These are the parts of the cartridge that come into contact with the paper and dispense the ink. If they're dirty or obstructed in any way, this could prevent the ink from being properly applied to the paper. Cleaning the cartridge heads could help to resolve this issue.
Are the printer settings correct?
Sometimes, the cause of the issue could be as simple as having the wrong print settings selected. For example, if the blank page suppression setting is enabled, this could cause the printer to skip pages that it perceives as blank. Similarly, incorrect paper size or type selections could also cause issues. Review your print settings carefully to make sure they're correct.
Is the printer driver up to date?
Finally, your printer driver could be causing the issue. The driver is the software that allows your printer to communicate with your computer. If it's outdated or corrupt, it could cause your printer to malfunction. Try updating or reinstalling the printer driver to resolve the issue. That wraps up our discussion for today on why your Canon printer might be printing blank pages even though there is sufficient ink. Hopefully, this troubleshooting guide can help you identify and resolve the issue. Remember, if you're still having trouble, it's always best to consult with a professional or contact Canon's customer service. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!